Hey guys, got a new present in the shop today from Prime Weld, their new TIG welder, and that is one heck of a crate it gets shipped in. We get solid wood, metal frame, strappings. I guess they figured the shipping companies would be dropping it off the truck. So let's get to unboxing and see what we got. Or at least try to, because these things are sharp. And there we go. And a box in a box. Alright, owner's manual. End caps. Box number 1. Actually, I'm going to start all the boxes out and then we'll get a closer view as we go through them one by one. Ooh, that's a heavy box. Box number 2. Good metal corners. Those would be perfect for practice material. Heavy packing foam. Come on, old man, I can do it. More metal practice pointers, even though I know the structural support. I have a good old box in a box. Can't beat that. Okay, well, let's see. Let's start off with the accessories and then we'll go to the main machine. Box number 1. We have a finger trigger switch, which I'll carefully unfold this here to show you guys. It goes on your torch so you don't have to use a foot pedal. We have a handful of consumables and some torch ports. And we have our power adapter. that covers box 1. Now let's go into the heavier box, which is box 2. Which is our ground clamp. And that is one nice heavy duty ground clamp. Bring it over so you guys can see. Of course, this will be the typical stinger lead. Which again is also exceedingly heavy duty. Gas line. Which is a good quality line. Since I already have their MiG 180, I can tell you it's a good line. Regulator assembly. Set that right about there. This is the heavy one. We have our foot pedal. You can see that. That's got a pretty heavy cord on it. Cord's actually thicker than my old Lincoln pedal. Alright, so this is what you get in your basic without the torch kit. We got our stinger lead for stick welding. We've got our finger trigger button, which is very convenient in tight places. We got some extra consumables, power adapter, our ground, our foot pedal, and regulator, and of course our trusty owner's manual. Which we will cover that on going through the welder and everything else in a little bit. And I'd also like to make a note too that if you go to their website, they do actually have their owner's manual online too. So if for some reason you've misplaced yours or you need one in the future, it can be found there. You can also find all the machine specs and everything else, which I will be posting with this video. Give you guys a good view of the front of the machine here. And that O is a satisfying piece of pulling the plastic off. I don't know why, it's just one of those things. But as you can see on the front of the machine here, we've got your TIG and MMA switch, or TIG and stick weld, depending how you want to word it. You got your AC/DC right here. You got your AC frequency, AC balance, your startup current, your hot start, upslope, your peak current, your arc force and downslope, your end current. Then you've got your QT and 4T switch right here, or button I should say. And then we've got your pre-flow, your base current, your pulses per second if you use pulse, pulse duty, and post flow. And then of course you have your pulse button here, which is off, high, and low. One thing I do appreciate, and I'm glad they changed designs on this, is you have your power switch on the front of the machine right here. Let's power her on for the first time. There we go, she's all lit up. And if you notice, she's quiet. Cooling fan does not kick on until the machine's in use, if I understand correctly. On DC amperage, it goes down to 5 amps. And on AC, it drops down to 10 amps. And if we go back to DC, I'm going to go up to 325 amps, and that is on 220 volts. And if we go to the AC mode, it also goes up to 325 on the amperage. Go back to DC. And like I said, if you notice how quiet the machine is, and then we turn it off. Fan kicks on, fan kicks off. And she does have one heck of a big cooling fan. Let me unplug the machine and turn her around. Okay, now looking at the back of the machine, we have our heavy gauge cable here, which appears at 10 gauge. One heck of a good strain relief on there. We've got your outlet for your water cooler, and of course your argon intake right there. And I know it probably won't pick up on the camera, but the cooling fan on the machine goes from here to here, here to here. So pretty much this whole grill is cooling fan. Well, there she is, mounted on her stand for her new home for a little while. Because I probably wind up getting another welding cart down the road. Once I get my TIG torch adapter in, I will run a bunch of tests and post them up and let you guys know what I think. So far, I am quite pleased. Again, this is the PrimeWeld TIG 325X. And thank you for watching.